Now, we have a couple recipes tonight that are different. We're going to take what we found around. Now, I've got the gator. Now, I went down to Barry's in Elizabethtown, and I bought me a gator. Why? Because I've been thinking about gators. And again, this is not a novelty.
Right.
This is good food, good eating. So how did we prepare our gator? Now, we didn't have the cameras rolling, and when Kelly's not around, we don't even try because...
Right. I mess it all up.
I mess it up too. So we took some pictures though. So we got us about an 8-pound gator.
That's right.
What did we do? We brined him. He was already cleaned. He was already gutted.
Right.
But anyhow, what we're going to do is brine that. And it's a very simple brine. We're going to do 3/4 of a cup of kosher salt. It's basically per 8 cups of water, we're going to use about 3/4 of a cup of soy, half a cup of white sugar, half a cup of brown sugar. Then we're going to come back with some black pepper, about 4 tablespoons. And then 2 tablespoons of garlic. Put a little lemon pepper in there, about a tablespoon, tablespoon and a half, and you're going to have you a good brine. So 8 hours. Brought him out here, fired the Traeger up, put it on 250. Now we started him today at about what?
It was 2 o'clock.
2 o'clock. We're going to let it go for about 5 hours. The tail, the thickest part of the tail needs to be about 180 degrees.
Okay.
Set him on the grill. Wrapped a little bacon around
He
him.
looks
now,
cute.
It's very, very lean meat. So what do you want to do?
Put some fat.
You want to put some fat on there, moisten that up. And bacon doesn't taste bad.
No, bacon's good. You also put an orange in his mouth. It looks cute, just to give some.
I didn't want him to starve while he was in there. So we're going to reveal this gator, and we're going to take it in and sample it. Look what we got.
Yum.
Look at that.
He looks pretty good.
It looks like he's got a new skin.
Yes, it does.
All right, let's get Gary off here.
That's his name?
That tail is breaking off.
Is it so good? That's a good sign.
That's when you know it's done. Now look at that. There he is. He's up to temperature and ready to eat.
Yeah.
Now, again, this is not just for fun. This is good, good food.
And the kids are all coming over tomorrow,
Kids
so we
are all
have
coming.
food.
They're
That's
gonna have
right.
some smoked gator.
That's right.
It's just a lot of fun, and it's very good to eat. All right, let's close this down and take him in. You know what, on turtles, they said there's 7 different types of meat.
Okay.
It's kind of here. Look on his leg, it's dark. But here's the reveal. Now, I've been picking on it. I couldn't wait. Here's what happens. Look here, Nikki.
Oh, wow.
I want you to look at this meat right here. Watch what happens when I pull right off, I guess you'd call it the tenderloin. Now look at that piece of meat right there.
Wow.
I mean, look at this piece of meat. You've had turtle before. Look at this piece of meat. Smell that piece of meat.
It smells really good.
Now, here's what you do. You take the top of this and look how it's just falling apart.
Yum.
Look at this piece of meat right here. Before you turn your nose up and say, oh, I would never eat that.
I wish I had some.
I'll give you the best piece.
Wow.
Is that not wonderful?
That's
White,
good.
flaky.
That's better than fried. I like it smoked better. Wow. I bet it's healthy too and light. It's not real heavy. Are we eating healthy?
Wow. Now, the actual thing about it, it is healthy. It's very lean. You can see hardly any fat in it.
How about the bacon? Is that healthy?
Well, of course.
I love the bacon.
Oh, stupid good. It seems so unusual. They look like they could eat you. When we were down in Florida.
They were this big by the dock.
Oh yeah. Warren has some that I think he's got them named down there. So let's set him aside. Now the great thing about this, you put it in the refrigerator, it's just as good cold.
I want to pull it out and show Victoria so she can scream when she gets here.